Today, we're in the Broadbrook section of East Windsor, Connecticut at 106 Windsorville. It's Brad the Mortgage Guy, and this is your local look. All right, everybody, here we are. This place has a great yard, an awesome pool area, nice shed in the back. Let's go inside. Kevin from Coldwell Banker is waiting for us. He's gonna show us around this place. Let's go take a look. Kevin, what's up, buddy? How you doing?
Good.
All right, man. This place is awesome.
Yes,
you want to show us around?
Absolutely.
All right.
So as you enter, you walk into a massive foyer and right into the kitchen. And right connected to the kitchen is a beautiful dining room and living area. Right off the living room, there is a slider with a deck off to the pool. It's very private off the road. There's also a very large attached two-car garage with convenient access to the foyer. Right off the garage, there's a half bath. You walk upstairs into 4 large-size bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms.
Oh, look at that here. We got second floor laundry. You're not lugging your laundry up and down stairs. That's an awesome feature.
So in the primary bedroom, there's a huge walk-in closet with an ensuite with a jacuzzi tub, stand-up shower, and 2 sinks. In addition to the primary bedroom, you have 3 good-sized bedrooms. 1 that can be used as an office if you'd like, 2 that are ready to move right in. As you walk into the basement, there are very high ceilings, very easy to finish off if you would like. Furnace and AC are all new as of March of this year. Overall, this house is a very well-maintained 2004 Colonial. You don't want to miss it. It's going to go fast. Come out, take a look.
Wow, check out this enormous backyard with this large swimming pool area fenced off. Also has this really big shed with drive-in access for your lawnmower. Kevin, this is a fantastic listing. If you're out there and you agree and want some more information on this property or to set up a private showing, reach out to Kevin. His contact information is on the screen. You want to get pre-approved? I'm here to help 7 days a week. It's Brad the Mortgage Guy. This has been your local look. See you next time. We're out of here.